In this video, I'll walk you through how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments in QuickBooks Online, so you can let customers pay directly from invoices while keeping transactions organized. Start by clicking the New button and opening an invoice, because this screen gives you the fastest access to payment settings even if you are not sending the bill immediately. Once the invoice window is open, move to the top right and select the Manage option to view online payment controls, where available methods such as card or bank transfer usually appear. Review each option carefully, paying attention to processing fees, payout timelines, and eligibility requirements, since these factors can vary by account and region. When adding a new payment method, follow the guided setup prompts and verify business or bank details as requested so deposits route correctly and reduce delays. After activation, your selected payment choices will automatically appear on invoices, making it easier for customers to pay while you maintain clearer records and cash flow tracking. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.